Okay, cool. So I'm just going to take one. Can you get you just turn that way so I can get the Continental in the background? What a natural. Yeah. You want? There's a lot of opportunity going once.
They make the best iced coffee.
Yeah,
I'll share with him.
because Shauna's favorite.
So I can share with him.
It's a good sip of it. He's like,
I know, right?
As you can see, his face was like, ah.
I know.
See, that's what I call commitment right there. Look at that. He's taking a whole bunch of drinks and putting on his lap while they're driving.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So you ready? This man's all entire literally in your hands. I don't know, it depends. Dude, are you guys still dry?
Yeah, no, perfect.
Okay, cool. I promise you, Roscoe, I promise I'm not like taking you down the road with all the speed bumps, I promise, man.
Okay, no problem. Jonah, we see what you're doing.
No, no.
We see what you're doing.
There's actually a hidden camera in the car.
I'm just asking, did anybody pray for patience or for like anything like this week? Because, I mean, yeah, you're going to be tortured.
Yeah, God is testing us.
Pretty much.
Okay, cool. Well, there shouldn't be much more bumps as whatever else going forward now.
There's a lot of potholes.
There's a lot of potholes.
But
There's a lot of potholes, but that's about it.
this thing actually is the worst road to take a direct from
Yeah, no, this is probably the worst
I just realized now.
Anyway, okay, cool. Well, just hoot and honking if you guys like land up having a Coke shower.
Back like I never left. People is the right, can is the left. Boom, boom. We played a nice game. The only thing that beat us
you can hold our line.
Yeah.
But next time, guys, hold our line. Otherwise, nice game.
Nice game, ne? Stay in the game, ne? You have to defend. Eh? It's done. They won. Done is deep. You brought a lot of energy. That's what we need on the field. But keep playing, keep supporting. If you have to defend, as captain said, keep your line. Okay? Wait! Well done.
Get the energy, man.
To allow the boys to say goodbyes to when people have come here to spend time with us, because we do appreciate you guys coming in, spending time with the boys. It's not always that we get people coming in and spending time with these boys. So every time we get someone coming to see and spend time with them, we truly appreciate. And I cannot thank you enough, but to let one of the boys to say thank you to you guys for coming in and spending time with them. I'll just let Bronza, you can say goodbye.
I would like to say on behalf of Khayalethu and on behalf of the boys and the staff, thank you, 7, Puff, the 4. Puff, yeah, Puff, I'm thankful for the whole team, the camera people, and the water people. Yeah, I had fun on the field. Rugby is not my thing, but I try to fit in. But I can see, man, rugby is a team thing. You can play it alone. And thanks for the lesson. The lesson is teamwork is teamwork. It's better to do it in a group than alone. And I'm really thankful for you guys visiting. And I've heard inside that you guys are not from PE. You guys some of you came long distances just to meet with us. We are always here inside to get people from the outside, people with their stories, to share their stories and our stories. We also see that we are not alone. Everybody faces religion, everybody faces hard times. Some of you people faced your hard times. Some of us are living hard times, but I'm thankful for having someone like you. All of you, coming to Khayalethu and playing with the boys. I'm really thankful, man.
Come. Close the circle. Close the circle. Come, close the circle.
You, 2, 3, rugby!
Yes. Ready?
2, 3!
Rugby!
My name is Abella, you know me.
You ready?
Ready?
I'm gonna count to 3. Everybody go, I'm gonna go crazy. Okay, 1, 2. I can't see. I only see a ball. Don't see a face. There we go. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Safe, yeah. No. Anyway, you wouldn't know. Cheetahs, they hide very well, so. Perfect. There's a welcome button as well. My name is John Luke.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Eloise, alright. So easy so far.
Yes, last time.
Banana.
Zipping on it.
Alright, cool. Good to meet you.
Magic, but you can call me Roscoe.
Wow.
Jean-Luc? Andre.
And I'm listening.
Roscoe Shane. Welcome to Amakhala Safari Lodge, bro. Listen here, this is so quiet, peaceful, and it's so tranquil, you know. Tell me, after a long season like you just had, how does it feel to be out here?
Oh, it's nice, relaxing, you see. I'm a nature guy. You see, this is what I like. Animals. I think the only thing that's missing now is just the fire. You see, just to get it ambiance.
As the temperatures are dropping, I think we should.
Siviwa will make the fire. Let me just start there. Siviwa, you must make the fire.
Okay, I'll make the fire. Thank you for having me here.
Welcome to your room. Oh, nice.
Animal baby.
Welcome to your lovely room. There you go.
Welcome to your room, Eloise. Thank you. It's really beautiful. No way. This is so good. Thank you. Both of you here. Welcome to your very own room.
Thank you.
See you guys later.
What do you think?
Oh, it's amazing. Really incredible.
Just wish the Nandi was here.
My wife, when you see this, when you watch the episode, just want you to know. Yeah, now.
I love you.
I love you, baby.